What is good, YouTube fam? Got some really cool stuff that's about to go down today. It actually is Christmas, so Merry Christmas to everyone that's watching this. You may be watching it at a later date, but guys, Merry Christmas. Hope you guys are all having a great day with your family and friends. And today we're actually going to take a private jet. We're gonna go from San Diego to San Francisco. It's not a little baby jet, I'm talking a big boy jet. And we're pulling up Lambo way, guys, so you'll see that in just a second. Alright guys, we're gonna see if we can put the Dior in here. Got the Dior backpack. Got the Go Yard, Big Boss Tyree in the cut.
Yeah.
Perfect.
We in San Diego.
You already know how we pull up, baby. Tyree, hit that start button for us.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Let the neighbors were here. I'm gonna drop the top on them. Woo! Do you think, Lambo?
I need that.
Got protein, baby. Fruit. Gotta stay healthy. Guys, with the squad, just pulled up to the airport. We're about to hop on the jet in a sec. Got some fun right here. We got the Ace of Spades, the Casa Azul. We going up today, guys. Lambo way. You know, Tyree's getting his content. Little bites, baby. We got a Dewey filming everything. Let's go! Hopping on the big boy jet, guys. Let's go! Got the filmer at Dewey going crazy. Jacob. Woo, we in the clouds right now. Big boy jet and the small one. Just landed, got the squad. PJ. Ooh! Guys, if you want to level up your life, you need to be around the right people. Your network equals your net worth, baby. You guys know how we pull off. Let's go!
Alright.
Pull up presidential on him, motherfucker.
DJ was in the back?
I want to say I saw Tyree put it back. Yeah, that's right here.
Alright, bet.
Just to confirm.
Yes, sir!
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Maybach driving ass nigga, 100 grand nights, first class flights. Went and bought my own shit, say my man ice, and I just stopped at Citizens, pick 150.
Not a lot of people made it to the end of the video, but you did. Make sure you share this video with a friend. Also, comment below. I want to know who you guys are and how I can help you guys out with your trading. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button. I'm dropping weekly videos every single week on trading to help you guys out. Look forward to seeing you guys soon.